Indian contribution to mathematics. Mathematics is the most important part of human's life. It has played a vital role in every civilization. The Indian contribution towards mathematics is very significant. Let's get to know about them. Maths in India starts from Indus Valley civilization. Measurements and ratios played a significant part in people's life. People used a standard weighing system. One Harappan weighing unit is equal to 28 grams, which was similar to English ounce and Greek uncia. In Harappa, the bricks are in the ratio of 4:2:1. Similar bricks with same ratio are found in Lothal, Gujarat and Kiledi, Tamil Nadu. They also used a standard ruler, which is now called as Mohenjo-daro ruler. One unit is equal to 1.32 inches. Each unit was further divided into 10 equal parts. The concept of zero came from India. The oldest Max manuscript in the world is the Bakshali manuscript found in 1881 in the village of Bakshali, Mardan, near the today's Peshawar, Pakistan. And this script provides the first written details about the concept of Sunya, which is zero. The concept of zero was perfectly explained during the Vedic era in the Brahmagupta Siddhanta, a work of mathematician Brahmagupta in 670 AD. We owe a lot to Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile scientific discoveries could have been made. Quoted by Albert Einstein. The 10-digit numeral system was also originated in India. The numeral system went to Persia from India and then to Arab and then to Europe. Indians were very knowledgeable about high exponents and minute fractions also. Both these high exponents and minute fractions are found in Sanskrit and Tamil manuscriptures. Sanskrit high exponents. High exponents in Tamil. Minute fractions in Tamil. The great mathematician Aryabhatta found the value of pi correct up to 4 decimal places. With this pi value, he found the Earth's circumference correctly up to 99%. Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem was also explained by Indian mathematician Baudhayana in his Baudhayana Sulbasutra in 8th century. The same concept was also explained by Tamil poet and mathematician Bodhayanar in his poem Odiya Neelam Karnam Dane. Concepts of trigonometry. Great mathematician Aryabhatta in his book Surya Siddhanta explains many of the trigonometric concepts, which includes usage of sines, cosines, inverse sines, tangents and secants. Kerala School of Mathematics and Astronomy. This school was founded by Sangama Grama Madhava in 14th century. The students of the school made many contributions to mathematics by discovering a lot of theorems in the topics of trigonometry, differential calculus, integral calculus and astronomical concepts and etc. Their findings include infinite geometric series, sin x, cos x and pi by 4. Bhaskara II was born in Bijapur, Karnataka in the year 1114. His important works include Bijaganita and Siddhanta Chiromani. These books deals with infinitesimal calculus, differential calculus, integral calculus, algebra, number system and quadratic equation. Infinity concept. The Shukla Yajurveda from 1200 BC contains verses which mean infinity is born from infinity, and when we take infinity out of infinity, only infinity remains, which means Ananta. One of the great Indian mathematicians, Srinivasa Ramanujan. His greatest achievements include Landau, Ramanuja constant, Mach theta functions, Ramanujan conjecture, Sholden constant and theta function. It also includes Ramanujan's sum, Rogers Ramanujan identities, Ramanujan's master theorem, Ramanujan Sato series and a lot more. He was also awarded with the prestigious award Fellow of Royal Society, which is FRS. Padma Bhushan Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis, OBE FNA FASC FRS. He is born in West Bengal in the year 1893. He is one of the great Indian statisticians known for his Mahalanobis distance and Fedman Mahalanobis model. D.R. Kaprekar. Dattatreya Ramachandra Kaprekar. Great recreational mathematician. he explained many classes of natural numbers. It includes Kaprekar, Harshad and self numbers, and he also discovered the Kaprekar's constant. Harish Chandra. He was born in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh in the year 1923. He was an Indian-American mathematician. He did fundamental study in the representation theory. He was also known for Harishchandra's C function, Harishchandra's character formula, homomorphism, isomorphism, module, regularity theorem, Harishchandra's Quashford space, Harishchandra's transform and Harishchandra's function. C.R. Rao, FRS. He is the Indian-American mathematician and statistician. He is the student of mathematician Kaprekar. He was born in Hadagali, Karnataka. He is now the Professor Emeritus at Pennsylvania State University and Research Professor at University of Buffalo. Narendra Krishna Karmarkar. Born in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, he is the Indian mathematician who developed Karmarkar's algorithm. Karmarkar's algorithm solves linear programming problems in polynomial time. These problems are represented by number of linear constraints involving a number of variables. Mathematics makes our life simple and organized. It prevents chaos. It is also considered as the queen of science. Its application is not limited. There is no doubt that the contributions made by Indians in mathematics are very significant. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe the channel. Make sure of content.